This is just a very quick video, just saying welcome to the last day of UP1. You've done a fantastic job all semester. It was great to have you in class for the first 8 weeks. And then I know it's been very difficult to adapt for lots of reasons too, in an online delivery. And, you've done a really good job. So keep it up. I hope that finals go well. Definitely reach out with any questions you have. I also like to end class, whether we're online or in person, with revisiting two quotes that I actually started with on the first day of class related to where we were headed. And now we can kind of reflect back on those. And so the first one of these, remember I talked about the difference between what we would do in this class versus what physics as a field as a whole does. And so the fundamental laws that we learned in this class, we have Newton's laws, we have conservation of energy, conservation of linear momentum, conservation of angular momentum, really fundamentally foundational foundations of all of how the world works. And so this quote from Einstein, the most incomprehensible thing about the universe is that it is comprehensible. The human endeavor of science to figure out, the rules of the game, as they say, in terms of learning these fundamental laws of nature and the fact that we figured it out, that we can understand so much, that we can apply this knowledge in so many amazing ways, is really, hopefully something that you have an appreciation of, and that now you really understand, you have a solid understanding of these fundamental laws of motion. But what's cool about science and physics in general is that the field of physics and what a physicist does is so far beyond these fundamental laws that we are using our understanding to test the limits of our understanding, detecting gravitational waves and, exploring the nuances of quantum physics so that we can develop newer and newer technologies and, work with the applied physicists and then the engineers to make all that happen. And there's so much that we don't know. And that's okay, because there's a lot that we do know, but there's a lot we don't know. So this other quote, we still don't know 1,000th of 1% of what nature has revealed to us. And that's what the field of physics and what a physicist does, and why people choose to go into physics, to explore that unknown. So again, it has been probably one of the most unique, if definitely the most unique semester I have ever taught in my 15 years of teaching at the university level. And certainly for you, probably your most unique semester as well. So I hope that everybody is staying safe, everybody is well, and that everybody's loved ones are well. So please take care, and as always, reach out to me with any questions or concerns.